The most important thing about LED lighting is it is very power efficient and compared to using incandescent lighting. We're actually looking at a diode which has light, photons are being emitted across a junction. So in the past, when we're looking at an incandescent light, we're looking at the frequencies of light that are emitted and the infrared and other radiations that are coming from the bulb. Most of them are coming from the visible light spectrum. When we're working with an LED, we're specifically working with a photon emission junction. And issues with photon emission junctions are primarily thermal, and you can also have alternative issues with material compatibility, because every electron that is not turned into a photon or part of a photon reaction is potentially turned into a thermal reaction or heat. One issue with LEDs is, just like printed circuit boards, the amount of profit is being squeezed out of the industry based on cost, availability, and the saturation of the market. Many LEDs are made with high reliability standards, and there are many markets where LEDs don't need high reliability standards. But when you think about how many LEDs go into a fixture or something that's an important light source, say an operating room or operating table, you need to make sure that those are high reliability LEDs and not pick the cheapest LED you can find. I'd say you have to pay attention to your customers and the end service environment. Where are they going to go? How are they going to be used? And that'll dictate the reliability that you need. The reliability of the LEDs needs to increase, but it needs to increase from the manufacturer of the silicon, how it's bonded and how it's attached to the package. Every step of this process has to be scrutinized for increased reliability, at the same time combated by the costs, because LEDs are considered an off-the-shelf commodity, and they're a very complex piece of electronics, so they really don't have the respect that they deserve. Where I see Foresight offering more technology and information to help the reliability industry of the LEDs is where analysis and understanding the failure mechanisms. If we can get that information in real time back to the manufacturers so that they can put inputs into the next design for reliability, that's going to be a key feature. And a lot of this has to do with materials compatibility of the industry. Good materials are expensive, but failures are more expensive.